Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Writing Tip of the Week. My name is Julie Stigmeyer, and I work with the GSCP in writing support. Today, in this special work from home environment due to the coronavirus, I wanted to just send a couple of reminders and let you know that we here in writing support are committed to continue serving you, even though we are working remotely. So we can still provide you written feedback and provide tutoring. I just will apologize in advance because my dog might bark in the background. However, we're all staying safe and trying to be responsible citizens. So today I wanted to just talk to you and encourage you to use headings in your writing. So the reason why I wanted to talk about this is because I've been seeing a few papers lately that haven't had headings or not sufficient headings throughout the paper. What headings do is they delineate or show when a topic is shifting or changing in your paper. And it's really helpful for the reader to read and see, okay, now there's a slight change in topic. But I would argue that it's even more helpful for you because you can see that these headings become a kind of outline of your whole paper. And when you add them, you are forced to make sure that that section is all about your heading. So let me give you an example here. This is a sample APA document in the 7th edition, and it's about, the topic is muscle relaxation in group therapy. And I wanted to give you an example of 3 types of headings or 3 levels of headings. When we divide up our paper, you'll notice this is my first page of text. I have my title here, and that's the normal way we begin our text in the second or third page, depending on whether you have an abstract. And then you continue on with maybe an introduction. After that, you might begin your first big section in your paper. So most students have their papers broken down into, say, 3 to more sections, depending on the length. Most of the papers I read are, 10 to 15 pages. And in that case, you might have 3 subsections of your paper. So this is how you would identify the first section of your paper. Centered and bolded using title case, which means that the important words are capitalized. Then let's say you want to break that down further and you want to have a subsection within progressive muscle relaxation about its features. Well, then what you would do is make a level 2 heading. And in this case, you have a bold title case, but and it's flush left instead of being centered. And then let's say, this usually doesn't happen, but if you were to break that down even further, this is what the level 3 heading looks like. It's italicized, bolded, title case, flush left. Most of the time, I only see these 2 levels of headings for students. You really only need a 3rd level of heading if your paper is getting quite long, and then you have big sections that are broken down further. So I just wanted to encourage you to keep that in mind. First, the formatting, but even more important, I want you to keep in mind the tool, that the strategy of helping you to identify these sections in your paper to help provide you with organization, see what your outline is in a glance. So please do reach out, continue reaching out for writing support. There's no interruption in service. We can all work remotely with no problem. So please continue reaching out. And until next time, happy writing.